Hello, Jishan.
Hi, Simran.
Hi. So this is iTech 1104 Cloud and Enterprise Computing. This presentation is about Node-RED application with IBM Cloud. And we are two members in this group, and myself Simranjit Kaur, and my student ID is 303-80043.
And my name is Jishandeep Kaur. My student ID is 303807559.
So overview of this presentation is the key objective of the assignment is to create a customer help desk with smart document understanding by using multiple cloud services. And the second point is this application will help to answer customer questions about the operation of a device. The third point is the application passes the questions on to Watson Discovery Service, which has been preloaded with the device owner manual. And my next slide is business applicability of the applications. There are two different colors in this bar graph in which one is customer and another one is business. The maximum value is shown by business, and in this the first point is prior knowledge of use of automated assistants, and the next point is applications need to get smarter before they are implemented. So my next slide is business applicability of this application. In this, the maximum percentage is contained by easy communication, 24-hour assistance, giving instant response, and the 13% contained by answering simple questions. Giving customers experience is contained 12% and export response, and the 11% is contained by friendliness and approachability, and the minimum percentage is contained by answering complex questions. So my next slide is functionality. In this, the Watson Discovery and Assistance has lot of points in which my first point is Watson Discovery will get document to be used as a reference. My next point is Watson Discovery will learn the contents of help document, and in this last point is Watson will recognize user input. And in cloud function, queries will be made against Watson Discovery. And the second point is connection to intervention service, making questions against gathering and returning responses. And in the Node-RED workflow in the application user interface, the chatbot.
And now I'm going to talk about functionality. In the user, the front end application program is a chatbot that engages the user in a conversation. The user interact with the backend server through the appliance program. And second, IBM Cloud or IBM Cloud Pack for data. Dialogue between the user and backend server is codient and employs a Western Assistant dialogue skill. The information source from external source is anointed by using Western Discovery Smart Document Understanding, and the another is external. And again is functionalities. The function source from external source, Smart Document Understanding, application copes with questions from users, and another application gives information to the users. And my next slide is areas where this application can be used in website, Telegram, Slack, Facebook. And next slide is future scope. One of the future scope of this application is to make the cloud more attractive and user friendly. This can done by including Western Studio, next to speech and speech to next services. And last is conclusion. We have created help desk chatbot using Western Assistant, Western Discovery, Node-RED, and Cloud Function. The assignment was exciting and we learned a lot during this assignment. Thank you for watching
Thank
this
you
video.
so much.